Welcome to Exams Daily. In this video, I am going to share you CDS syllabus and examination pattern. CDS Combined Defense Service Examination Syllabus and Examination Pattern. This examination was conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, for 4 posts, namely Indian Military Academy and then Indian Air Force Academy and Officers Training Academy. So after completion of this examination, you get post from this 4 category. So I'm just going to share you full syllabus and detailed examination pattern. So at first, scheme of examination, so it is written examination, and then once you have completed written examination, you are eligible for interview by personality test. So once you have completed this interview, you get postings. So they only conduct via offline mode only. So there is no online examination for any UPSC examination. So it is offline based examination. So the syllabus for Indian Military Academy, Naval Academy and Air Force Academy are same. But for Officers Training Academy, it varies. For Officers Training Academy, both male and female candidates are eligible for application. So only unmarried candidates are eligible for this examination. So, and this is the examination pattern. So for Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, it comprises of 3 subjects. First is English, and then general knowledge, and then elementary mathematics. And for English, this examination will conduct it for 2 hours and it is for 100 marks. And general knowledge, it is for 2 hours and the total marks is 100 marks. And for elementary mathematics, duration is 2 hours and total marks is 100. And this is the examination pattern for Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy. So only basics level syllabus for this examination. And for Officers Training Academy, it only comprises of 2 subjects, namely English and then general knowledge. So only 2 subjects for this Officers Training Academy. So the duration for English is 2 hours and it is for 100 marks. And for general knowledge, it is also duration is 2 hours and maximum mark is 100 marks. And this is the examination pattern for this CDS Combined Defense Service Examination. So only you are going to write this examination for basic level of examination only. So English, general knowledge and then elementary mathematics, and these are the syllabus you are going to study for this examination. And syllabus for the CDS examination. So at first English, and English they are going to test your understanding level. So only they are going to test your basic level of usage of English words, grammar. So likewise, so like you want to study in this particular subject for vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, basic grammars like tenses, and then direct and indirect speeches, and active voice, passive voice grammars. So likewise, basics English is mandatory for this English subject. So they are going to only test your understanding level of language, and this is about English. The syllabus is same for Indian Military, Naval, Air Force and Officers Training Academy. Both syllabus are same. So they are going to test your understanding level. For every general knowledge, you want to first study current affairs and then static GK. So current affairs, in our channel we are daily uploading current affairs. You can follow our channel to get updated news. And for static GK, so we are providing static GKs too, and also some general knowledge based syllabus are also coming in our channel. So do follow our channel to get more and more subject videos. So for general knowledge, you also want to study history of India and then geography of nature. So including that topics too you want to cover for this general knowledge. And for elementary mathematics, I think so it comprises of 4 to 5 topics. So all basic mathematics topics comes under this elementary mathematics. So at first it is arithmetic. In this arithmetic, so you are going to study some topics like a number system, natural numbers, integers, rational and real numbers, and these are the topics for number system. And for fundamental operations, so we already know that fundamental operations, there is a BODMAS rule. So we had already know that BODMAS rule. So like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then square roots, decimal fractions, and then unitary method. And these are the topics. And then time and distance, time and work, percentages, and then applications to simple and compound interest. So next level, so not only basic sums they are going to ask in simple and compound interest. So you want to know about application. So you want to learn simple interest and compound interest via your daily routine. So you want to study in that way to crack the simple and compound interest sums. And then profit and loss, and then ratio and proportion, and then variation. And this is for first level. And then next elementary number theory. So division algorithm, so it is in 9th standard books. So for this aptitude you want to go to 6th to 10th Samachir Kalvi books are mandatory for this examination, or else CBSE books. So you can go through that to cover all those topics. So these are comes in 6th and 7th books, and this topics are comes in 9th standard books. So at first it is elementary number theory, division algorithm, and then prime and composite numbers, and the test of divisibility. So divisibility rule, well known divisibility rule like 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 11 test of divisibility rules, and then multiples and factors, and then factorization theorem, and then HCF and LCM, and then Euclidean algorithm, and then logarithms to base 10, and then law of logarithms, and then use of logarithmic table. So you already know that a log based table, so it is a 9th standard book, so you want to know about that. So it comes in the trigonometry topic. You can go through that for logarithm topic. And then next algebra, so it is in 6th to 10th standard books. So first basic operations, and then simple factors. So in basic operations you want to know about what is variables, what is like terms and unlike terms, and then coefficients. So how to create an equation. So likewise basic operations, and then simple factors, and then next remainder theorem, and then HCF and LCM, and then next theory of polynomials, and then solutions of quadratic equations. Like it comprises of 3 topics like subtraction method, elimination method, and then multiplication method. So the 3 topics. And then relation between its root and coefficients, only real roots to be considered, and then simultaneous linear equations in 2 unknowns, analytical and graphical solutions. So these topics are in 9th standard books. So and then simultaneous linear inequations in 2 variables and their solutions, and then practical problems leading to 2 simultaneous linear equations or inequations in 2 variable or quadratic equation in 1 variable and their solutions. And then our well-known set language and set notation, and then rational expressions and conditional identities, and then law of indices. And these are the topics that comes under algebra. And for trigonometry, so that well-known topic sine, cosine, tangent, and then their degrees, 90 degree. What is the value of sine 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree? So that trigonometric tables, identities. So likewise basic trigonometrics related topics for this. And then simple trigonometric identities, so like sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So like that identities you want to study for this. And then use of trigonometric tables. So that topic sine 0 degree, what is the value for sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. So that table is very important. And then simple cases of heights and distances. So like they had given one rectangle shape, and this is opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse values are given in the question. You want to find height and distance using this sine cosine formulas, and that's the thing about this trigonometry topic. And then for geometry you want to go through 9 to 10 topics. 6 to 10th is very important. For theorems you want to go through 9th and 10th topics. And for this lines and angles, planes and figures, for this 6 to 9th books is enough for these 2 topics. And then theorems, at first it is properties of angles at a point, and then parallel lines, and then sides and angles of a triangle, and then congruency of triangle, and then similar triangles, and then congruence of medians and altitudes, properties of angles, sides, diagonals of a parallelogram, and then rectangle and square, and then circle and its properties, which includes tangents and normals, and then loci. These are the topics that comes under geometry. So for this you want to go through 6 to 10 books. For these two topics you want to go through 6 to 9 books, and for these theorems you mainly concentrate on 9th and 10th books. These topics are in 9th and 10th books. So one for mensuration, so at first it is area of squares, and then rectangles, parallelograms, triangle and circle, and then area of figures which can be splitted into figures, so like surface area and volume of cuboids, that 3D shape. So and then lateral surface and volume of right circular cones, and then cylinders, and then surface area of volume of sphere. So totally you want to study surface area, volume, and then lateral surface area, total surface area, and these are the things you want to study in this mensuration topic. And then basics, rectangle, square, parallelogram and triangle and circle, and these are the topics that comes under mensuration. This for these 4 topics you want to go through 6 to 7 books, and for this 3D shapes you want to go through 10th books and 9th books. And the first 2 topics are in 9 books, and cones, cylinders and spheres are in 10 standard books. And for statistics, at first you want to know about tabulation formation, like frequency, and then tally marks, how to find tally marks, how to find frequency, how to arrange grouped data, what is ungrouped data. So likewise concept you want to know about this. And then graphical representation. So you had known the data representation topic. So for competitive examination they are well known topic, data representation, that is given in this form of graphical representation. So these topics are in 9th standard and 10th standard statistics topics. So at first frequency polygons, so the graph in the format of in this form. So you want to find answer solutions for this graph. So and then histogram, and then bar charts and pie charts, and then measure of central tendency. So in this you are going to study mean, median and mode, and these are the topics that comes under statistics. So yes, that's it for written examination. So these are the topics: English, general knowledge, and then at last elementary mathematics. So once you have completed written examination, you are called for personality test or interview, and this personality test comprises of 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So once you have completed stage 1, you are eligible for stage 2. And for stage 1 examination, so it comprises of officer intelligence rating, OIR test, and then picture perception, and then description test. So you are going to be shortlisted based on this PP and DT, paper perception and description test only. So once you have completed stage 1, you are called for stage 2. So for stage 2, it comprises of interview, group testing officer task, and then psychology test, and then conference, and these are the topics for stage 2 examination. These tests are conducted over 4 days. So once you have completed a written examination, you are eligible for interview. So interview will be conducted over 4 days, and this is the examination pattern and syllabus for this CDS Combined Defense Service Examination. So hope it is useful for your reference, and do follow our channel for more and more videos. Thanks for watching.